Hello, good morning children. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to learn about the chapter number 3, Colourful Nature, remaining exercise. He, she and his, her. We use his with he, we use her with she. First his. He is Sam. This is his pencil. He is Joy. This is his kite. He is my father. This is his bag. Next, her. She is Ria. This is her doll. She is Pam. This is her cap. She is my mother. This is her car. Let's start the book exercise. Page number 32. We use his with he, we use her with she. Let's start. Complete the following paragraph with his, her and he, she. One day, Mr. Lal takes his family to the market. He takes out his car. Mr. Lal calls Arpita. She comes out with her little pushy. They reach the market. Mr. Lal buy a toy car for her. Then they go to the pet shop. Arpita buy a hairbrush for her pushy. She is happy. Children, this paragraph you do in your English book, page number 32. Size. Change each word into color name and color in the box. Page number 33. First one, add a letter, ink. You add with P, pink. I-N-K, ink, P-A-N-K, pink. And next you color the box, pink. Second one, change a letter, glue. Glue, change with blue. G-L-U-E, glue, B-L-U-E, blue. You color the box, blue. Third one, change a letter, bud. Bud, change red. B-E-D, bud, R-E-D, red. And color the box, red. Add a letter, lac. L-A-C-K, lac. You add with B, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And color the box, black. Lac, black. Ink, pink, blue, bed, red, black, black. Page number 32 and 33 do in your English book. This pattern, answer the following question. First question, what does the father give to his 3 children? The answer, the father gave his 3 children 3 shiny grey cans. Answer, the father gave his 3 children 3 shiny grey cans. Second question, what are the names of the children? Answer, the names of the children are Tim, Tia and Tom. The name of the children are Tim, Tia and Tom. And third question, who steals the food that Mother Earth keeps for the plants? The answer, weed steals the food that Mother Earth keeps for the plants. I read again. Weed steals the food that Mother Earth keeps for the plants. Fourth question. Who are the 3 fairies that help the plants to grow? Answer. The 3 fairies are gentle rain on air, jolly yellow sun and brown earth. Fifth question. What do the children see in the sky? Answer. The children see a rainbow in the sky. Next, think and tick the correct option. First question. Which of nature's gift is green? A. Peas, B. Roses, C. Sunflower, D. Carrots. The answer is A. Peas. Second question. Which of nature's gift is yellow? A. Grapes, B. Tomatoes, C. Roses, D. Lemons. The answer is D. Lemon. Third question. Which of nature's gift is red? A. Bananas, B. Lemons, C. Carrots, D. lettuce leaf. The answer is C. Carrots. Fourth one. How many colors are there in a rainbow? A. 6, B. 10, C. 7, D. 5. The answer is C. 7. Fifth question. Which color is not there in a rainbow? A. Orange, B. Grey, C. Red, D. Yellow. The answer is B. Grey. Children, your homework is learn and write the question answer in English copy.